Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the syntax error, unexpected EOF while parsing error in Python. This error is common, especially for beginners, and understanding its root cause is essential for debugging effectively. What does syntax error, unexpected EOF while parsing mean? The error message syntax error, unexpected EOF while parsing means that the Python interpreter reached the end of the file, EOF, end of file, prematurely while expecting more code to complete a statement or construct. In simpler terms, Python thinks you started something, like a function definition, a loop, a conditional statement, or a multi-line string, but didn't finish it before the file ended. It's looking for a closing element, like a closing parenthesis, a closing bracket, a colon to begin an indented block, etc., that it never found. Common causes and examples. Here are some of the most frequent reasons why you'll encounter this error, along with illustrative code examples. 1. Unclosed parentheses, brackets, or braces asterisk. This is probably the most common cause. You might have opened a parenthesis, bracket, or brace but forgot to close it. How to fix asterisk? Carefully review the code in the lines before the line indicated in the traceback. Look for any unclosed parentheses, brackets, or braces. Pay close attention to nested structures. Use an IDE or code editor with parenthesis matching to help identify the issue. 2. Unclosed quotes, strings. If you start a string with a single quote or a double quote but forget to close it, Python will expect the string to continue until the end of the file. Multi-line strings using triple quotes, or, are also prone to this problem. How to fix asterisk? Ensure that every opening quote has a corresponding closing quote of the same type. For multi-line strings, verify that the triple quotes are correctly balanced. 3. Missing colon, colon. In Python, colons are crucial for defining the start of indented blocks within control flow statements, example if, else, elif, for, while, function definitions, def, class definitions, class, try, except blocks, and with statements. Forgetting a colon will lead to this error if the interpreter expects an indented block. How to fix asterisk? Check your if, else, elif, for, while, def, class, try, except, and with statements. Make sure each one has a colon at the end of the introductory line. Also be aware that the indentation of the subsequent block is also essential. 4. Incomplete try, except, finally blocks asterisk. When using try, except blocks, for error handling, or try, except, finally blocks, it's easy to leave out parts, leading to this error. A try block must have at least one except or finally block. How to fix asterisk? Ensure that your try block is always followed by at least one except block, to catch specific exceptions, or a general except to catch all exceptions, or a finally block, which will always execute, regardless of whether an exception occurred. 5. Unexpected indentation asterisk. While not directly causing the unexpected EOF error, incorrect indentation can indirectly lead to it. If you indent code where it's not expected, outside of a block defined by a colon, it might confuse the parser and prevent it from finding the expected end of the file. How to fix asterisk? Carefully examine the indentation levels in your code. Ensure that code blocks are indented consistently, usually 4 spaces per level, though some use tabs. Be consistent. Remove any unexpected or stray indentation. Most IDEs provide visual cues, like vertical lines, to help you track indentation levels. 6. Escape new lines, line continuations. You can use a \\\\ to indicate that a statement continues on the next line. However, if you accidentally leave a backslash at the end of the file or within a string, Python will expect more code on the following line, leading to the EOF error. This is less common, but worth checking. How to fix *. Remove any stray backslashes at the end of the file or within strings where they are not intended. If you intend to use line continuation, make sure the statement is valid. 7 Comments with unclosed strings *. This is an edge case, but it can happen. If you have a comment with a string inside it that is not closed, it could potentially lead to this error. How to fix *. Make sure every string within comments are properly closed. If this is not the case, you might consider removing the string from the comment or properly closing it. Debugging techniques and best practices. 1. Read the traceback carefully *. The traceback provides valuable information about the location of the error. It will tell you the file name and the line number where Python encountered the unexpected EOF. Start your investigation at that line or the lines immediately before it. 2. Use a good code editor or IDE *. Modern code editors and IDEs offer features that can help prevent and diagnose these errors. Syntax highlighting * highlights code elements, making it easier to spot unclosed quotes or parentheses. Parenthesis / bracket matching * automatically highlights matching pairs when you type or position the cursor near one. Code completion * suggests code completions, which can help you avoid typing errors. Code linting * analyzes your code for potential errors and style violations. Debuggers * allow you to step through your code line by line, inspecting variables and the program state. Popular choices include VS Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text, Atom, and Jupyter Notebook. 3. Comment out sections of code *. If you're struggling to find the error, try commenting out large sections of your code to isolate the problem area. Then, gradually uncomment sections until the error reappears. 4. Simplify your code *. If possible, try to simplify the code snippet that's causing the error. Remove unnecessary parts to focus on the core issue. 5. Use a code formatter *. Code formatters like Black or AutoPep8 automatically format your code to adhere to consistent style guidelines, including indentation. Using a code formatter can often reveal indentation errors or other inconsistencies that might be contributing to the problem. 6. Divide and conquer *. If you have a large script, try breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This can make it easier to isolate the source of the error. 7. Check for typos *. Sometimes, the error can be caused by a simple typo, like a misspelled keyword or variable name. Example debugging session. Let's say you have the following code. When you run this, you get. Here's how you would debug this. 1. Read the traceback *. The traceback points to line 5. It says unexpected EOF while parsing. 2. Examine the line *. Line 5 is def calculate _ volume, length, width, height. 3. Identify the issue *. You immediately notice that there's no closing parenthesis after height. 4. Fix the code *. Add the missing closing parenthesis. 5. Test * run the code again. The error is gone. In summary, the syntax error, unexpected EOF while parsing error is a common indication of a syntax error in your Python code, usually involving unclosed elements or missing colons. By carefully reviewing your code, using a good code editor, and applying the debugging techniques outlined above, you can effectively identify and fix the problem. Remember to always read the traceback carefully, as it provides valuable clues to the location of the error. Good luck debugging.